Since tools like Lava and OpenAI's GPT-4-Vision came out, loads of new use cases have been coming to the surface. And one interesting use case I came across was called Draw a UI. It was built by a software engineer at Figma just a couple weeks ago, and now it's gaining traction incredibly fast. The tool really does live up to its name. It just lets you draw UI in a simple editor, and everything that you draw can then be converted to HTML, but it uses Tailwind in the background to make sure that it comes out in the way that you would like. Now, the tool isn't perfect by any means, but it does seem to do a relatively good job. And so what we're going to do is give it a try for ourselves. And so it's open source and free, so let's start this up ourselves. We'll go into VS Code, I'll cd into my code folder, and we will git clone the repository. Good. Now we can cd into draw a UI, and then we can run npm install, and finally npm run dev. Now we can open up that link, and we're met with the cool editor. Nice. So let's draw a simple UI. I'll draw a big square, circle, which does tag. Let's add a separator and a bio section. Lorem ipsum. From there, we just want several lines. Now this doesn't look too bad. Let's see how it does. I've drawn some sort of weird card UI thing. Let's see how it goes. I didn't add any color. It's also worth flagging I've already set up my OpenAI key in my environment as well. So this is not bad. It's not bad. It didn't align the profile picture properly with the text, but it did put it all on the left-hand side alongside the save button, and it did create the X and the tick, and it also gave me a bio section, an extra underline there. But this is not bad. This is not bad for something. If you want to prototype something really quickly, I'm sure this is not actually a bad way to get started. Let's run it again and see if it gives something different. It was missing the line, I guess, and this was on the wrong side before, but overall it wasn't a bad first attempt. And we can see it really is just trying it in different ways, and each time it produces the full code so you can have a play around with it. And so I guess something that would be nice is if you could easily just refresh. Also, if you could persist versions or save versions of the code, that would also be helpful, I guess. But this is not bad at all, in all honesty. I think this is a really, really nice little tool that someone has built. And there's all these extra features there, as well as the different types of shapes. And I could have just drawn waves like that if I wanted to. It's really nice. I think it's quite cool. Well, that's that. If anyone enjoyed that, definitely make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any thoughts or feedback. Hopefully, I'll be on top of some other tools soon, as well as some other cool things that we can build. All right, take care.